Hand wash day. That's a little better. Let's see what's that wrong. You want to get sprayed?
No.
Get your ass back. You sure you don't want to get sprayed? Hay is for horses. It's hand wash day. You can't be bothering me. You want some more? Jive turkey? Look at this. What? Hey, man, come on, man. Stop playing. Who the fuck did this? Now he gonna be my friend. Ugh. How the fuck did this hoe? Alright, pull it. Damn it. I was wrapped around this fucking bush. Now I got him working for me. Come on, man. I need elbow grease. Elbow grease. There you go. Put some shoulder in it. Nah, I ain't say go fast. Put some shoulder in it. Gotta put, yeah, there you go. It need to be water dripping and bubbles dipping, son. Keep up the good work. I'm gonna put you on my payroll. You know what's gonna be fun? The rims.
What's rims?
Cleaning those. See, boy, you gonna get a promotion. You trying to get a promotion, ain't you? It's all good. Yeah, not that part. See, that you're gonna get fired. Just the inside. Bro, you get me wet on purpose?
No.
Oh my God. So what's this gonna cost me, man? What, some ice cream with some pizza or some shit?
It's gonna cost you way more.
What? Man, how much is this gonna cost me, man?
It's cost you.
You sliding the, you can't even clean the window. Why is it gonna cost more? Bruh.
It costs. I don't want money. You gotta take me to the store.
What?
Yeah.
What store? Man, if you can clean the middle of that window above that, what the fuck?
That was so easy.
Oh my God. You didn't miss a spot.
Oh wait, yeah.
Ah, damn. But I get fired again.
No, no.
We headed to the store, man.
Hi.
You gonna quit playing with the seat?
No. I'm new to this car, y'all.
Oh my God.
Hey. No cussing. No cussing.
I'm gonna hurry up and take you to the store.
A referee, acknowledges how I see. Even if you see it different, the way I see it's official. It ain't no do opposite.
Better have your seatbelt at,
There you go.
It's coming out your pay.
No.
You ain't gonna have to be getting tickets and shit. I'll let you make it and get in the front seat.
Let them peek inside and invade in my private space. I'm giving you all I had. I need some time to wait. I need some time to breathe. Shit, I wouldn't mind a break.
And these liquid ones are the perfect
What chips do you want?
I wanted some hot. I wanted these, but I wanted the hot one.
It's right next to it.
What is it?
It's right there. God.
I'll get something else this time.
Man.
I'll get 3 things.
Bruh. What you know about a root beer, Kat?
I know.
You know root beer? Yeah, whatever. What else you getting, Coot?
Where they at?
Yeah, it don't matter. You called me a big bag.
You got apple juice?
You called me a big bag.
Is that apple
But you got this big bag of chips. And this big bag soda.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, you said what?
I said nothing.
No, say it again.
I said that's why you eat too much candy. You eat too much candy.
What else you say?
I said you eat too much candy and you're addicted to candy. I said you eat too much candy that you're addicted to candy.
That's cool. I ain't getting none of this shit. Yeah, you can take all that shit off.
What?
Windows dirty as hell, bruh. Look at them. My windows. Hey, why you looking like that? But you can't be putting the chips and put the seatbelt on you, not the chips.
That's what I'm moving it for.
Oh, dog, you trying to keep the chips safe. All right, then we'll put the chips in the seatbelt then, and you stay out of it.
No. You're not gonna be making me crash. I'm not crashing.
What?
No.
On that fast, bro. Sit down, bro.
No, I can't. You're dangerous. You're dangerous. You're dangerous.
Bro, calm down. I'm not even going that fast.
Yes, you are. Why do you have to?
Bro, it's a stop sign.
Why
Right
do you
here.
have to be so addicted?
What? Man, it's time for you to go to bed. Don't you gotta go to school tomorrow?
Literally go to jail for speed.
What?
You go to jail for speed.
What's the last time I'm taking you to the store, man? I can't keep living like this. We can't have fun.
You're putting me on YouTube.
What the fuck?